Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find and view your watch history on YouTube within the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful content. So let's get started. Begin by opening the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android phone. On the bottom menu, tap on Profile. You will see the history and select View All. To view your watch history from today and previous days, scroll down the list. You can see the videos you've watched recently as you scroll down. If you want to remove a specific video from your watch history, tap the three dots or option menu to the right of the video. Then select Remove from Watch History. If you want to clear your entire watch history on YouTube, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the app. From the menu, select Clear All Watch History and confirm your action. That's how you can view your watch history within the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android phone. You can also remove individual videos or clear your entire watch history if needed. If you have any question or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. You can find more YouTube tips and tutorials in the video description or in our channel. If you find this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!